Today I want to explain why a good IVF doctor always gives patients a written treatment plan before starting the cycle. IVF can feel overwhelming. There are hormone injections, ultrasounds, egg retrieval, embryo transfer, and so many other steps. Without clarity, patients feel lost, anxious, and constantly worried about what will happen next. That uncertainty adds unnecessary stress to an already emotional journey. A treatment plan works like a roadmap. Just as you would never start a long trip without knowing your route, you shouldn't start an IVF cycle without knowing what lies ahead. A clear, step-by-step plan shows you what to expect, when to expect it, and why each step is necessary. This reduces anxiety, increases confidence, and makes the journey much smoother. Of course, no medical treatment ever goes exactly as planned. Biology is unpredictable. Sometimes we need to adjust medication doses or change timelines. But when patients already have a baseline plan, they can immediately understand when and why things change. This transparency transforms IVF into a partnership. Instead of feeling like passive bystanders, patients become active participants in their own care. Sadly, many clinics avoid giving treatment plans because they worry that too much information will invite questions. But I believe the opposite is true. When patients don't know what's happening, they lose trust. And if the cycle fails, they may feel cheated or abandoned. On the other hand, when patients understand the process, even if the outcome isn't always successful, they feel reassured that everything was done correctly. Having a treatment plan doesn't magically change your biology, but it does change your mindset. You cope better with injections, hormonal ups and downs, and the inevitable waiting. You're also protected from unnecessary add-on procedures that some clinics may push in the middle of a cycle. At the end of the day, IVF is one of the most emotional journeys you will ever take. A written treatment plan ensures that you remain calm, informed, and in control every step of the way. It builds trust, preserves transparency, and gives you peace of mind. If you'd like me to review your IVF treatment plan or provide you with a second opinion, you can book a video consultation with me. The link is in the description below. This one step could save you both unnecessary stress and costs.